Welcome to our Framework Focus videos, where we discuss the Association of College and Research Libraries Framework for Information Literacy for Higher Education. The framework shifts students away from only learning the mechanics of searching towards developing a more holistic understanding of research. To learn more, check out our About the Framework video. The framework has divided research skills into 6 themes called frames. In this video, we're talking about the frame Scholarship as Conversation, which emphasizes that communities of scholars, researchers, or professionals engage in sustained discourse over time with new insights and discoveries resulting from varied perspectives and interpretations. Sir Isaac Newton said, "If I have seen further than others, it is by standing upon the shoulders of giants." This quote embodies the idea behind the frame Scholarship as Conversation. Research happens in communities where scholars build upon the work of one another. In library instruction sessions, we emphasize that scholarship, from articles and books written by professors to student research papers and even class discussion, is part of a larger conversation. This means discovering and explaining what has been said about a topic, then contributing your own views and findings in response. Librarians show literature reviews as evidence that scholarship changes over time and that scholars engage in dialogue with one another. We teach students to listen to the conversation by engaging with research materials in order to add their own voice to the scholarly conversation in their major or field. Among other topics, we teach how to evaluate resources, recognize that privilege and access influence the conversation, and identify voices that are missing. The bottom line, research matures over time through sustained discourse amongst researchers. We teach that scholarship is a conversation and invite students to join the dialogue. We might ask, what do people debate about your topic? If students can discover this during the research process, it encourages them to consider what important points they can make. Have you considered other arguments? The more students consider alternatives, the more they can refine their own thoughts. What are you adding to the conversation? The question shows students that their perspective can add to an existing dialogue. If this framework aligns with the work you're doing in your classroom, consider partnering with your liaison librarian. We are happy to work alongside you to help develop students' information literacy skills. Thank you for listening.